Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to go over how to actually separate the audio from the visuals in Adobe Premiere Pro, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Jack.F, I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor. If that's something you're interested in, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos. And if you want to support the channel, link in the description, buy me a coffee. Anyway, so how do we actually separate the audio from the visuals? And this is another requested video on the channel, so if you have a request, drop me a comment below and I'll sure to do it. Anyway, so jumping straight to this. So once you have your clip on the timeline, all you have to do is right click and then come up to where it says unlink, and then that's going to unlink your audio from your visuals. That's as simple as it is. It's so simple. And now we've got your little audio and you can do whatever you want with it. Just be careful that it's not synced up. Then you're going to have to manually sync it back up together. But apart from that, that's how you separate the audios and the visuals. Anyway guys, if you found some value in this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for some more videos. And if you want to support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description. Anyway, if you want to learn the basics of Adobe Premiere Pro, check that video up there. It goes over all of the basics. And as I said, actually import, edit and export your first video that you can use on social media, do whatever you want to do. So if you're interested in videography, video editing, subscribe to the channel. And if apart from that, I'll see you on the next video.